Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watched from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2.
Oh, what is up, YouTube? Today we are trying to beat the rain a little bit. It's been raining here like crazy, man. So we're trying to beat the rain a little bit. Finish up this hen laying box, and maybe get the storage wall put up. Or should we do the roof? I kind of want to do the inside first, because I know once I do the outside it's going to be hot. And I want to be inside of a shed while it's hot. So it is the middle of the summer. But let's get started. I'm waiting on Amber. Look at her. She's over here checking comments from our Q&A, I think. Are you ready to put in some work today?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right now.
What's in the plan?
Probably finish.
Oh, you already started the box.
Yeah.
I got home late last night. I didn't see it.
Yeah, I already started the box, and then we need to then put the storage in there. The storage, like the storage closet.
Oh.
And I was gonna probably do a brooder. Yeah, I was gonna do a brooder box. A brooder box. I was gonna do a brooder box in there, so that whenever we get new chickens, we can just add them in there, and they can smell them, and that'll be where they'll be at. So then when we let them loose, they'll already kind of know them, I guess.
You think it's big enough?
I mean, if I did one side, closet and brooder box is what I was thinking.
I don't know. There's just so many of them.
This is the thing. People act like chickens stay in the coop all day. They do not stay in the coop all day. They don't. They only go in the coop at nighttime.
I get it, but you see how many of them there is?
It's 30. What?
Hot.
Oh, snap. He was flying. Now look at him. He looking at you sideways. That's Simba. Simba. Grab him. You can grab him. What, you scared? Huh? He gonna get back up there somehow. Look at him. He gonna get back up there. Watch him. Or she, rather. And he right back up there. Guys, look at the turkey. That thing is so ugly. Yeah, turkey. Hey, where he come from? I think that's Scar. Alright, today I got my glasses on. Let me put my boots on, because one of the subscribers, she said, you never wearing glasses and you don't got your boots on. I want you to practice more safety. Your family needs you. Well, I'm practicing safety, baby. I'm gonna put my boots on even though it's hot outside. I'm gonna put them on. And I got my glasses on. I'm supposed to be wearing glasses anyways, but I don't wear glasses. It's hard for me to get used to wearing glasses just because it's like something there. I don't know. I spent 34 years of my life not wearing glasses, so I'm trying to adjust, I must say, because I only had these glasses for, look, how long I had these glasses? About 2 months? It was like right before we moved out here, I had to get glasses. And I already lost a pair. I lost my first pair. So, but I'm trying, guys. I am going to practice more safety. Maybe there's a kid out there looking up to me one day. I already got 3 already. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think my dad ever practiced safety. You get so used to just coming out and just cutting. But let's finish this box up.
You want the little one?
Now we need a little one to show him.
Yeah.
Let me see a little one.
Can I see
What
that
the? Okay, terrorists, let me see. All right, so what we're going to essentially do is we have our box, we have it cut out. We're going to take one, put it here, and then we'll put one on the other side. You got another one? Just imagine that being another one on the other side. And then you can slide these in and out if need be. So that's the plan. So she's gonna cut some of these blocks out. We're gonna put one in the front and one in the back on each side. You got it?
Yep.
All right, and I'm gonna go finish cutting these out for the bottom.
Ew.
The drill in front of you? Don't tell me I lost that.
But I think either underneath we do a storage. You could even like do like doors, like swing out doors, so that way it stays clean.
I was just trying to put the food somewhere.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Go under, or it could be this space right here. We could use as like a little storage closet.
Well, that trash can won't fit in there, will it?
That the food container we have now would.
No, the little one that we got, yeah.
We can get more than one.
I guess. Alright, let's finish this hen box up. I need to cut the bottoms out and then we'll be done with this. Alright, go ahead. Get on the ladder. Just get on the ladder. I'll give you the board. Is your line close to that, what you call it?
Yeah.
It is? All right. Pull it down. I'm off a little bit. It is what it is. First time project, we're still learning. Well, we got it back up and we got a foot of overhang on each side that we're gonna do. So water don't run straight down the side of the coop. So now we just gotta get the front plate put on and then the two sides. So we talked about putting a storage shed in here, but now I guess she's changed her mind. And oh man. So we're not putting a storage space in here. She said put storage under there somewhere. So I don't know. I done I think Justin Rose put 60 chickens in something way smaller than this. Way smaller than this. A cart that you can move around by hand. And homegirl over here wanna shed. Lord forgive me. Instagram, I'm blaming Instagram. Instagram and Reels for this. But they say you need such and such square space. When these chickens get in here in this shed, they better be spread out. I know that much. They better use a whole coop because they got a whole shed. Jeez Louise. So we decided to go ahead with the wood that we already bought, put it up, and then we're gonna water, what is it, water stain it?
Yeah.
Whatever it's called, so that it doesn't catch water. So here we go. Yeah, actually, this part goes on the other side. See how it got notches in it?
Oh, yeah.
It needs to go up. Right there. All right, we got it up. Just got to go back, cut the top, and get us some trim to go on it. Probably need to stain this today if we're gonna finish boxing it in. What y'all think, guys? It's coming along.
It is. We'll see how good we can make of this situation.
Pretty much.
Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less. Cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promised land. Somebody loves you, please don't forget such. Take your time, no need to feel rushed. We gon' shine somehow one day. Word to O'Shea, today's been a good day. Don't let one bad apple spoil the tree. The fruits of our labor seem ripe, can't you see? A little insight so they'll never dim your light. Been wrong for too long, this here feels so right. Leave your fears in the rear view, right now on a mission. Tryna stay the course on this road to redemption. Giving up seems tempting, but no need. Cause I got you and you got me. A little UNITY will get us by. Through the storm and the rain, I'll be by your side. Look alive, the best has yet to come. Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true.
this Coop is taking 10 times longer because every time you turn around, it's raining.
Days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promise, yeah. And it may seem like things ain't working.
Yeah, we could be catching some more water because it's about empty. You gonna do it, or do I need to do it?
I could do it.
You sure you can move that barrel?
You have to find out.
It's halfway full, I think. She halfway full, baby. Down the middle. That girl getting soaking wet right now.
All right, I got it part way. That thing scratched the heck out of my leg.
Well, we catching rainwater.
Yeah.
We were trying to get that roof up so we could catch something over there. Well, looks like we're gonna be on pause for a little while. Dang, that stuff is getting wet and we need to paint it. So we have to wait for that to dry out. Jeez Louise. Well, I guess we get to see how that side does with the water on it.
The other stuff I covered up.
The other stuff is covered up, but we got one sheet on the top of a roof, and yeah. I wonder how much water is coming off of it right now. Let's go see. Well, already it's producing a good amount of rain, so, and it's not even raining hard, so I can imagine this little roof right here will fill up an IBC tote pretty good. And we can use that for rainwater. Oh man, for the garden and for watering the chickens over here. So we gotta finish this. That girl went and got the umbrella.
He was inside the door.
Well, unfortunately, it looks like this video is gonna get rained out. So we try to get some work done. I appreciate y'all for commenting, sharing, and liking this video. And like I say, do what you can do in a day's worth of work is all we trying to do. But make sure y'all like and subscribe. Love, peace, and happiness.